Hello everyone, this is Mandy. Today I'm going to introduce how to use these kinds of bulb cameras for you. First, let's go to check the product accessories. There are 2 boxes totally when you receive the parcel. This is the bulb camera. Reset button. Next to it is the SD card slot. Please pay attention that the bulb must lead to E27 interface. The same as the lamp holder extender. The holder can be bent as you need. Card reader, you can use it to read files in the SD card. When you can't find the camera's Wi-Fi, please use this stick to reset. How to install the bulb to a lamp holder? Because the bulb camera doesn't include a battery, it needs to be charged while working. Find an E27 lamp holder and screw the bulb in. Press the power button, then the camera is turned on. The bulb camera also can be used in your house as a real bulb while it's monitoring. These 3 kinds of bulb cameras are the same in installation process. How to set up P2P live view on your PC computer? Please go to our website to download the software you need to install on computers. Wise Up Shop is the name of our online store. Welcome to visit. Download the file bulbcam onto your PC computer. You can just type in the model number to search, like BC185YM. Find the file that you download and right-click to begin the extract process. Click it to install the PC software onto your PC computer. It's very easy to install. Just click Next and Next. It will cost about 1 minute or less. When it finishes, please disconnect your computer from current Wi-Fi network and search for the camera's Wi-Fi network, which begins with LH. Connect your PC computer to the camera's Wi-Fi network. Right-click on the blank, choose Refresh. Click the camera's UID. Then you can view the real-time video successfully. How to set up remote viewing on computer? Click the Wi-Fi icon, select an available network and enter the SSID and password. In this way, you can connect the camera to a steady home Wi-Fi. Click OK to finish. Close the software and reopen it. Now we are going to test its remote viewing. Connect your computer to another available network, a different Wi-Fi from the previous one. Click When and input the camera's UID and the password. Click Login. Click the camera's UID. Now you can view the live video remotely. How to set up P2P live view on your smartphone? Here are 2 QR codes. You can choose one to download according to your device, or please go to our website to download. Download the app Webcam on your phone. Go to the wireless settings page on your smartphone. Connect your device to the camera's Wi-Fi network. Choose the camera's Wi-Fi and input the password. The camera's Wi-Fi begins with LH. Tap Connect. Once it's connected successfully, run the app. Tap LAN and wait for a moment. Tap Camera. You can view it now. How to set up remote viewing on your smartphone. Tap the small symbol, tap Wi-Fi and select Use Wi-Fi. Select an available network, enter the SSID and password. This Wi-Fi is connected with the camera. Tap OK. Then exit app to test remote viewing. Enter the wireless settings page on your smartphone. Connect your device to another available network or your cellular. Input the password and run the app again. Input the camera's UID and password. Please pay attention that this Wi-Fi also must be different from the one connecting with the camera. Tap Login. Tap Camera. Now you can view the live video remotely. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.